With heroin becoming an epidemic throughout the Tri-State, everybody's looking for answers, trying to stop drug abuse and save lives. Tonight, the Kenton County School District hosted a drug awareness roundtable at Taylor Mill Elementary School. The goal was to offer information to parents and children to make an early intervention more likely.
I'm a former elementary school teacher, and a lot of times services and workshops are focused on middle school and high school. You need to start here. This is where the issue and the problems begin. And if you don't nip it in the bud, and if you don't give the children the support that they need now, here, you're going to lose them by middle school.
Organizers say they wanted to give parents the resources to talk with their children and take action if necessary.